Step 1. Make sure the scale has no binding in the platform and the beam. Everything must move freely. Step 2. Make a fine zero balance by using a flathead screwdriver to adjust the beam balance ball, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Step 3. If a zero balance is not achieved via the balance ball, you must adjust the counterpoise by removing or adding material in the cup. Step 4. Check the accuracy of the beam poise by loading either a 5 kg for metric model or 10 pounds for the pounds model. Step 5. If the beam poise is not accurate, remove or add material in the bottom section of the poise. Step 6. Do the 4-corner shift test. Use a 20 kg weight for the metric model and a 50 pounds weight for the pounds model. Step 7. When one of the corners are high, we must file the inside angle of the pivot using a stone handheld filer. When a corner is low, we must file the outside angle of the pivot. After each corner test adjustment, check for a proper zero balance. See Step 2. Check if the adjustments were done well. If not, repeat. Step 8, load platform to full capacity, 100 kilograms or 200 pounds. Check if okay. Step 9, if the full load test is either high or low, proceed with the nose iron pivot adjustments. If high, with a wrench, insert in the outside part of the nose iron pivot and rotate it towards the outside of the scale frame. If low, with a wrench, insert in the outside part of the nose iron pivot and rotate it slightly towards the inside of the scale frame. Check the zero balance, step 2, and load to capacity and check results, repeat if necessary. Please note when doing the 4-corner shift test and all 4 corners are either all high or all low. You must correct this by doing the nose iron pivot adjustments. See step 9. End of calibration.